McPherson from McGrath Estate Agent.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 22 Prospect Street in Rosslyn.
This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home situated on a 1,619 metre square allotment with sea views really does offer more than meets the eye.
Come on in and have a look.
So guys, what's not to love about this recently renovated property? Light, bright and spacious interiors. I absolutely love the flow from the living, dining, through to this huge corner kitchen, which is super well appointed with your 5-burner gas stove, stone bench tops and 2-pack finish.
So guys, you've had a quick look through this beautiful home, and what you really don't get to see from the road is how flat this backyard is. Plenty of room for the pool, the boat, the caravan, overlooking this beautiful outlook. If you're looking for that perfect property, please don't hesitate to call Anna or myself. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next one.